Hello guys, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to change Fastmail password. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. First of all, go to your web browser and type fastmail.com in the search bar and hit enter. Now click on login button. Fill up your username and password, and then click on login. It will take you to your Fastmail account. Now click on mouse down icon and then click on settings. Fill up your new password and repeat it once again. And then click on change password. So guys, this is how you change the password of your Fastmail account. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.